And half passing means, again, watch that hip go to the inside. You see him crooked, you see him off center. Put that, there we go, get that shape right there. This is where we would want to canter off. And basically, my outside leg would put his hip in position, then my inside leg would ask him to move off. Once we have it at the walk, we'll pick up that trot, and we'll see if we can get that at the trot. He's trotting here, wait till he gets consistent, wait till he gets straight, and at that trot, this is his very first time doing it at the trot, and release. Notice how it slows him down. Good boy.